Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Can you hear me, beta? Is my voice clear? My voice and screen are clear to you? Okay. Okay, Jawad. Meera. Okay. Okay, beta, all of you turn off your mics first of all and turn on your cameras. Walaikum assalam, Haya. Walaikum assalam, Varda. Very good, very good. Okay. So once again, Assalamu alaikum. This is Sadia Puram, and I'm your SST teacher, and welcome to you all uh, in your new class in grade 7. And I'm so glad to see you all once again, and a very warm welcome to you all in your class, and a very warm welcome from my side. And as you know that my name is Sadia Puram, and first of all, I want to tell you that about me. I am master's in political science, and I have done my degree of B.Ed. So, as you know all about me, that in last year, uh, in your sixth class, you have studied with me the subject Islamia. So now we are going to study uh, SST, Social Studies. Is it clear? So, inshallah, last year, first of all, I want to tell you that the experience of last year with you was very, very good. Really, very good. So, I hope that inshallah, in our next year and in our future classes, we will have fun with each other. We will enjoy our subject, and I hope that you will cooperate with me in good manners, and same like last year. So I'm once again, I want to tell you that I'm very happy to see you all, and I'm very glad to be your SST teacher. Is it clear? Okay. So please be attentive, beta. Kosar Huda, be attentive. And Muhammad Ehan, Anya Ali, Muhammad Ehan, beta, all of you turn on your cameras. All of you turn on your cameras. First of all, I want to see your faces. Then we will proceed. Okay, very good. Better, very few students have turned their cameras. Please, all of you turn on your cameras. If I'm saying again and again that turn on your cameras, then how can I conduct my class? मेरा तो दिल चाह रहा है ना कि मैंने बहुत सारी बातें करनी है आपसे, तो कुछ आपकी बुक का आपको इंट्रोडक्शन देना है, तो प्लीज टर्न ऑन योर कैमरास. Okay, very good. So some of you are still not listening me, but मुझे लगता है कि ये क्लास तो बहुत अच्छी है और मेरी तमाम बातें सुनती है, तो मुझे लग रहा है कि कैमरास ऑन हो जाएंगे माशाल्लाह. अच्छा. Okay, wow, great. First of all, I want to praise you and I want to admire you that all of you are in proper uniform. Very good. Well done, beta. Well done. Really, I'm so happy. So happy. Especially Iman, Kausar, Huda, beta, turn off your mics. Hadika, Ania, or Miram Bakar, Kausar Huda, beta, all of you are in proper uniform. Beta, turn off your mics, beta. Who's this? Mohammad Ehan and Iman. Turn off your mics. Otherwise, I will put you in the waiting room. Turn off your mic, beta. Iman.
Yes, miss.
Turn off your mic, beta.
Yes, miss. I have open mic.
बेटा ओपन नहीं कीजिए, बंद कीजिए अपना माइक.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, let's start. First of all, beta, I want to tell you something about the reasons of online class. So you have to listen me very carefully. These are all the important things. These are all the things which are very important for your knowledge. And okay, Alina, I can see you. Very good, beta. You are also in proper uniform. Very good. So, first of all, I want to discuss you the basic reason. अच्छा, wait a minute, beta. Screen share नहीं हो रही. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, beta. I'm just going to. Okay, beta, just a minute. It is, I think, some technical fault, but I'm going to resolve it. So I want to tell you about the reasons of online classes. So anyone can tell me about the reasons of online classes? What?
Miss, because of corona
Yes, because of
and our safety.
because of our safety and because of the rapid spread of coronavirus.
Corona.
Is it clear? Okay. Now is my screen clear to you all? Can you see? Tell me beta.
No,
No?
no.
क्या शो हो रहा है आपको? स्क्रीन पे क्या शो हो रहा है? बेटा anyone else can you tell me स्क्रीन शो हो रही है? बट मुझे तो शो हो रही है. ओके, जस्ट अ मिनट.
Miss, फाइल नजर आ रही.
आप बताइए.
Yes.
शो हो रही है?
सब शो हो रही है.
ओके,
Yes.
थैंक यू सो मच. ओके ओके ओके. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि हमें ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हमारी क्यों ज़रूरी हैं. सो देयर आर सम रीजंस फॉर conducting online classes. So the government of Pakistan, as you know, closed all the educational institutions, schools, colleges, and universities to control the spread of COVID-19 since March 2020. So in response of HEC, HEC is the you can say the head office of all the educational institutions. So HEC has directed the educational institutions to conduct online classes. According to the orders of HEC, we are going to conduct online classes. So there are so many reasons to conduct the online classes, and the important reason is that at your homes you are, as you know, that you are all safe, mashallah, from this virus. And but we want to give you some knowledge. We want that you have to connect with your studies at your home. So all the schools all over the world decided to conduct online classes. That's why our school also has started the online classes. That is clear. So beta, these are not the vacations. These are the days through which these are the vacations, but these are not that type of the vacation that you can enjoy and you can go anywhere. You have to stay your home for your safety, and these vacations are just to keep people safe at their homes, but educational activities must continue through the online classes. Is it clear? Umema, better turn on your camera. So these are the basic reasons. Now I'm going to discuss with you some rules and regulations. I know all the teachers have discussed with you all these rules and regulations, but beta, these rules and regulations are more important, much important for your online classes. So तमाम टीचर्स जो हैं वो बारी बारी आपको यही रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन बता रहे हैं, because these are very important things and you have to follow these rules and regulations, otherwise you will not attend the class and we will not admit you. Is it clear? So और मेरी बातों को बहुत केयरफुली सुनिएगा, क्योंकि लास्ट 10 मिनट्स में मैं आपसे पूछूंगी, ठीक है? मैं इसके बारे में आपसे बात भी करूंगी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू चेक योर चैट बॉक्स. बेटा हया इज सेइंग दैट शी कांट सी द स्क्रीन. आपको सबको स्क्रीन शो हो रही है? ओके ओके अलीना, थैंक यू सो मच. ओके 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 वर्दा. ओके हया, that's great. You have rejoined. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, Ben. Very good. और आप सब बहुत अच्छे से मेरी बातें सुन रहे हैं. Now listen me carefully. There are some rules and regulations. After these rules and regulations, I will give you the introduction of your book and copy. Is it clear? So, first of all, you should make your own ID. Is it clear? You should make your own ID and this is mandatory. Is it clear? Beta Delaways, sit properly. Turn on your camera and sit properly. Beta, you are sitting in your class. You are attending your class. Okay. So I'm saying that students should make an ID with their own names to be allowed to enter in the classroom. No student will be allowed to enter the classroom with irrelevant identity. Is it clear? If you make your any fake ID, okay, very good, Delaways, well done. और ये बात मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है कि बच्चे फौरन से बात सुनते हैं. Well done, very good. So you should make your ID and this ID will be with your name. No fake ID will be allowed to enter in the classroom. Is it clear? So no student will be allowed to enter the classroom after 10 minutes of the start of the lecture. So beta, as you are sitting at right time, at proper time, on time in today in your class, your class was started at 9:20 and you all were there on time. Same like that, you have to come in the class, you have to enter, you have to join the class on time in future. And if because of any reason like internet connection or power failure or any other problem you will be facing, then you have to be given just 10 minutes to enter the class. Is it clear? After 10 minutes, I will restrict the class and you will not enter the class. Student will not be allowed to turn on their audios during the lecture. When I am delivering the lecture and I will deliver the lecture, you are not allowed to on your audios. Is it clear? यानी आप सबके माइक ऑफ रहने चाहिए, आपके माइक ऑन नहीं होने चाहिए जब तक कि मैं आपको खुद नहीं बोलूं कि अपना माइक ऑन कर लें. Instead, the last 10 minutes of every lecture will be devoted to students for any question, any clarification. If you have any problem, then you can ask me in your chat box during the lecture and I will give you the answer in the last 10 minutes. Is it clear? Last 10 minutes will be devoted to you all and I will give you the answers of your questions, your problems. Is it clear? So in the last 10 minutes, I will give you the answers of your all questions. Is it clear? Okay. Next thing is, बेटा कौसर बी फोकस्ड बेटा छोड़ दीजिए बस, आप बहुत अच्छी लग रही हैं, सब बच्चे बहुत प्यारे लग रहे हैं, यूनिफॉर्म में तो वैसे ही मुझे बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं. So listen carefully. I will ask you the questions at in the last 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, beta. I think here is a student with fake ID. Who is there, beta? Who is this? Tell me your name, beta. Beta, tell me your real name. If you have any fake ID, that I'm saying you that I will exit you from the class. So tell me your exact name. And यही वजह है कि मैं आपको बार बार बता रही हूँ रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस क्यों जरूरी हैं. Is it clear? So no one will be allowed with fake ID in the class. So next important point is that it is strongly suggested that students always keep a notebook with them during all the lectures to take notes, to note down any question they need to ask at the end of your class. In the last 10 minutes, if you want to ask me, you have to write down these questions, these things in your notebook. And besides, you also can note any important question which you want to ask me. Is it clear? So, first of all, I want to check the faces of my dear students once again. So here I can see Kausar, Iman, Muhammad On, and no one else. Beta, Alina and Meeram, beta, turn on your cameras. Beta, आपकी cameras on है. Adika, Haya, Hibal, Hania. Hibal is here. Hibal, beta, show me your face. I want to see you. Ajwa, Aiza, beta, all of you turn on your cameras. Hurry up. 32 students are here and almost 30 students are here and a very few students have turned on their cameras. So beta, all of you turn on your cameras. देखिए इससे क्लास डिस्टर्ब होती है, बार बार मैं बोलूंगी और हमारी बात दरमियान में ही रह जाएगी जो बात हम कर रहे हैं. Okay. So no student can exit the classroom before the lecture has fully ended. जब तक आपका lecture end नहीं होगा, आपको class से exit नहीं करना. Student must actively participate during the entire lecture and via chat option or via mic on. Is it clear? Audio. Is it clear? You can ask me any question through your mics. You can ask me any question through your chat. And teacher reserves all rights to ask their students to share their videos. बेटा मैं आपको बार बार बोल रही हूँ कि अपनी वीडियोस ऑन कीजिए मोहम्मद इहान. I want to see you मोहम्मद इहान and Dilawees. बेटा be attentive. आप इस वक्त मुझे सुन रही हैं, आप बातें नहीं कीजिए बेटा. Listen to me very carefully. These are all the important points. Okay, very good. Now I can see Hania Raheem, Miram Bakar, Iman Adnan. Very good. Very good. And Aisha Noman. Beta, are you in the class? Beta, sit properly and sit isolated. आप क्या? Are you there in the class, Aisha? What are you doing? Very good, beta. Mashallah, mashallah. All the students are in proper uniform. I'm so happy to see you all. I'm so happy. आप सबको तो कुछ कहने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी. अभी तो ये पॉइंट मैंने बोलना था और आप सब रेडी होकर बैठे हुए हैं. माशाल्लाह. Mashallah, Hadika, I can see you, Alina, and Alina Alam and Muhammad On. Very good, beta. Very good. So my next point is that all students are directed to memorize their roll numbers. Is it clear? Nowadays, there must not be roll numbers. Is it clear? But when in the you will be in the physical classes, then there will be roll numbers. Is it clear? So nowadays there is no need to remember your roll numbers, but you should have your like today as you are sitting in your class, your cameras must be on. Is it clear? And your mic should be off. When I will ask any question, then you can turn on your mics. So these are all the important points which I have discussed with you. Now I'm going to tell you about your book and copy. So this is your textbook. Have you all purchased your book? Okay, okay, Alina.
Yes, miss.
Okay, very good. So this is your textbook and this is the book of social studies. And at the end of my class, in the last 10 minutes, if I have time, then I will give you a short introduction of the chapters of this book. And I will share you some important things regarding this book. But now I want to tell you about your copies. So this is, beta, in the class, who is this XT1254? Who is this? Tell me your real name and turn your ID in your, change your ID in your real name. Who is this? Tell me your name. If you are listening me, tell me your name. Otherwise, I will exit you. I will put you in the waiting room. Who is this? Okay. So this is your copy. You have your two copies, copy 1 and copy 2, and your copies are interleave copies. Is it clear? So you can see that these are your copies, and your copies must be well maintained, and you have to write down the on the copies, copy 1 and copy 2 in the regular days when you will be inshallah in your physical classes. Then the copy 2 will be used as the test copy. But nowadays with the period of online classes, it will be used like copy 2. So there will be copy 1 and copy 2 when we will announce the homework submission date. Then copy 1 will be with us and copy 2 will be with you. So in the meantime, when we will check your copy 1, you have to do your home assignments and classwork in copy 2. Is it clear? So that's why your 2 copies will be titled with copy 1 and copy 2. So you have to well maintain your copies, like you have to write down the midterm. Then in the next page, you have to write down the syllabus of the midterm, which I will give you. Yes, beta. Yes, you have to left 1 page for syllabus. And I'm going to tell you, look at your screen, beta. I'm telling you that you have to write down here midterm. Then you have to write down the whole syllabus of midterm, which I will tell you. I will show you on your screens and I will give you. And you have to write down the syllabus of midterm. Then when we will start our first chapter, like suppose the first chapter of your book is United Nations. Is it clear? The United Nations. Then you have to make the title page of United Nations. You have to write down the chapter name. As usual, all of you know very well, and you have in practice, you are in practice to do all these things already. Is it clear? So you have to write down your chapter name and then you have to write down the subtitle. Is it clear? And I will tell you the how many questions will be there in this chapter, if there will be any filling the blanks or any type of true false, or name these like name the personalities and column matching, whatever will be in that chapter. I will tell you, and you have to write down the subtitle. Then you have to write down the date and specific date at the top of your specific page, where you have to write down your question answers. Is it clear? Everything which is I'm going to tell you, you all are familiar very well. Is it clear? And you have done in your previous classes as well. So it is just a reminder class. It is just an orientation class to tell you, to remind you all these things. Is it clear? Now, first of all, you have to, very important thing, that you have to maintain your indices in well manner. Is it clear? Now, I will not accept any type of copy which is not properly well maintained, which is not properly well maintained through indices. Is it clear? I will not give you any type of marks if your copy will be untidy or index will not be maintained. Remember that. Is it clear? So there are some other important things which I want to tell you about your handwriting. Your handwriting should be neat and clean. Your work should be neat and clean. Work should be done by yourself, not by your siblings, not by your cousins, not by your parents. Is it clear? In this year of your academic, in this academic year, we will not allow any type of handwriting work which will be done by your parents or siblings. Is it clear? आपका काम खुद आपकी अपनी हैंडराइटिंग में होना चाहिए. कोई भी मार्क्स आपको, एक सिंगल मार्क भी नहीं मिलेगा कि आपने अपने पेरेंट्स से करवाया है. एंड द रीजन इज दैट दिस इज योर वर्क. You have to do your work on time. If you will manage your time, then you will do all the questions on time properly. when we will give you the submission time, then there will be much time to do your work complete. So do your work with by yourself. Is it clear? So you have to do your work by yourself. Neat and clean work should be there. Index will be maintained, well maintained. Title page will be well maintained, and dates and chapter name, everything should be well maintained. Is it clear? So I'm going to tell you now about your CTs and MTs. There will be 2 CTs and there will be 2 MTs till midterm. So in this year also, CT's marks will be added in the midterm exams. So remember that. Be careful, be attentive, attempt all the CTs, attempt all the MTs, because all the marks will be added in your midterms exams. Is it clear? Any confusion? यानी लास्ट ईयर भी ऐसा हुआ था, उससे पहले जो आपके सिटीज के ऐड नहीं होते थे मार्क्स, तो आप केयरलेस थे बहुत ज्यादा. लास्ट ईयर भी हमने देखा बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स वर so many students were very careless in attempting the cities especially. So all the marks will be added in your midterm exams. Is it clear? Okay, I can see Haya Kamar. Very good, Haya. You should be in your proper uniform in your next class. Is it clear? Okay. But I can see you. Well done, all of you. You have turned on your cameras. Very good. So ये सारी बातें आपको प्रॉपरली पता होनी चाहिए. अब मैंने आपको बता दिया, आपकी जो कॉपी है वो इंटरलीव कॉपीज हैं. You have 2 copies, copy 1 and copy 2. Then you have to attempt all the CTs and MTs. CTs having 10 marks each and MTs having 25 marks each. And all the marks will be added in your midterm result, as well as the home assignment marks will also be there in the midterm exams results. So be careful, all of you. And मेरा ख्याल है कि मैंने आपको तमाम बातें आपकी सब्जेक्ट से रेलिवेंट बता दी हैं. योर कॉपी हैविंग 160 पेजेस. इज इट क्लियर? Each copy of SST having 160 pages. Now I have just 5 to 6 minutes. So I want to tell you something about your book. So better turn on your cameras. Why all of you have turned on off your cameras? I can't see anyone. Why? Ibal Javed, beta, show me your face. Jawad Kareem, beta, who is this? XT1254. Beta, next time you have to come in your class with your real name, otherwise I will not allow you in the class. And I will mark your absent. Today भी, आज भी आपकी जो absent mark होगी. Is it clear? क्योंकि मैं आपका रियल नेम नहीं जानती, तो मैं आपकी अटेंडेंस कैसे मार्क करूंगी? अदरवाइज टेल मी इन योर चैट बॉक्स हु आर यू. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, बेटा मुझे आपके फेसेस नहीं शो हो रहे. वी हैव 6 minutes and you all, and if you have any question then you can ask me in your chat box. Beta, Muhammad On, we don't know. This will be according to the situation. Is it clear? You should be focused about your CTs and MTs. Okay, okay, inshallah. Okay, beta. So I want to know, beta. XT1 1254, I think. Beta, who is this XT? Who is XT1254? Yes, Dilaviz. Dilaviz naam se. Beta, XT1254, I will not mark your attendance. Okay, so I want to tell you within few minutes. Beta, because because it is mandatory and you are in the class. बस ये है कि आप फिजिकल क्लासेस में मौजूद नहीं है, बट देयर शुड बी सम डेकोरम ऑफ योर, एक एहतराम जिसे कहते हैं ना, एक रिस्पेक्ट होती है, एक तरीका होता है क्लास में बैठने का. तो सो दैट्स व्हाई यूनिफॉर्म इज नेसेसरी, यूनिफॉर्म इज मैंडेटरी, जरूरी भी नहीं है, लाजमी है आपके लिए. यस, हदीका ने कितना अच्छा जवाब दिया. टू फील लाइक वी आर इन द स्कूल, वी आर इन द क्लास. वेरी गुड, very good. So beta, your book having 3 parts, 3 branches like history, civics and geography. Is it clear? आपकी बुक में 3 parts हैं और आपकी बुक के 3 parts हैं, यानी आपको उसको अलग अलग मेंशन नहीं करना, बट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू about you are going to study in some chapters about history, like Pakistan movement, Pakistan कैसे बना, पाकिस्तान की मूवमेंट क्या थी. like civic means के आपकी जो civic mean का मतलब civics का मतलब होता है the city life, ठीक है, द लाइफ ऑफ सोसाइटी. तो सोसाइटी के डिफरेंट इश्यूज के ऊपर या डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स के ऊपर आप पढ़ेंगे. और ज्योग्राफी का मतलब है कि यू हैव टू रीड सम चैप्टर्स अबाउट द क्लाइमेट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, क्लाइमेट के बारे में आप पढ़ेंगे. तो देयर आर डिफरेंट चैप्टर्स फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ लाइफ, like history, civics and geography. These are 3 branches of your book, and there are different type of the chapters in your book. No beta, not today. Okay, if you have any other relevant question you can ask me beta. There are 2 minutes left, and 2 minute पहले ही सबने कैमरास ऑफ कर दिए. दिस इज नॉट गुड बेटा. मैंने आप सबकी कितनी तारीफ की, आते ही आपको इतना एडमायर किया कि आप सबने यूनिफॉर्म में हैं, बहुत अच्छे से बैठे हैं. तो मुझे आपकी कैमरास ऑन चाहिए. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. if you have any question you can ask me. So this is your book. I have told you all important things, all the rules and regulations about your book, about your school, about your online classes, and I have told you all about your book and notebook and handwriting and CTs and empties. So you should follow all these rules and regulations. We will meet inshallah in our next class with all good manners. And thank you so much. You are really good students. You were in proper uniforms. You you have attended the class in good manners, and I hope inshallah in future you will also follow all the rules and regulations, and you will inshallah, I hope we will have much fun with each other, and you will I will conduct the class in interesting manners, and you will attend the class in good manners. So take care. Allah Hafiz.